Title: Giggle, the joyful sound of laughter. Meaning: today, we're exploring the word giggle. To giggle is to emit a light, happy, and often uncontrollable burst of laughter, typically in response to something amusing or funny. It's a delightful expression of joy. Pronunciation: pronouncing giggle is straightforward. Giggle, with a soft G and a short I. Use in a sentence. For example, the children couldn't help but giggle when they heard the silly joke, spreading laughter all around. Importance: giggles are a reminder of the simple pleasures in life and the universal language of laughter, which transcends cultural boundaries. Conclusion: in summary, giggle is a word that signifies the beauty of spontaneous laughter and the happiness it brings. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, keep spreading giggles and laughter in your daily life.